back to my YouTube channel. So, si Ice po uli ito. Meron na naman tayo isang panibagong video. Pero bago ang lahat, para swertihin tayo for the year 2021, girl, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell button para naman updated ka sa aking mga video. So guys, for today's video, magbibigay tayo ng tips o kaalaman o how to make your fragrances last longer. So guys, just a little information. So some of you guys, alam ko naririnig nyo na yung EDP, EDT, EDC. So with regards sa mga fragrances. So actually, our fragrances po ay nagkakaroon ng mga iba't ibang level of concentration. And I'm gonna give you some concentration guide pagdating po sa ating mga fragrances. So, ang pinakamataas na concentration po pagdating sa fragrances ay yung tinatawag nating perfume o parfum, which is the fragrance concentration is 20 to 30% that can last for 6 to 8 hours. Ang next po yung naririnig nating EDP, which is the eau de parfum, which lasted for like 4 to 6 hours. Meron po siyang 15 to 20% na concentration ng ating fragrance. So, the next one is yung tinatawag nating EDT. Kung naririnig po ninyo yung EDT o yung eau de toilette, sabi nga sa mga French. So actually, the EDT or eau de toilette is are having 5 to 15% ng fragrance concentration na naglalas lang po siya ng usually ng 3 to 4 hours lang po. At yung next natin is ang ating eau de cologne, which is 2 hours lang ang nilalast nila and it's like 2 to 5% lang ng fragrance concentration. So, kaya naman guys, on this video, I'm gonna share you how to make your fragrances last longer. Okay, for our first tip, a lot of people are asking, when is the best time to spritz or spray your fragrance? Actually, guys, the best time to spray your fragrance is just right after you shower. Yes, girl, just right after you shower. It is the best time to spray po ang inyong mga fragrances. It is just because open po yung pores natin and all the fragrance and all the concentration of fragrances, the oil ay na-absorb po ng ating katawan. So guys, another trick kung paano magkaroon ng last long na fragrance is that do not directly spray po ang pabango sa hair ninyo. Do not spray directly on your hair. Kasi po nakakadry ang mga pabango if you're going to spray it directly. So, it is advisable, get your comb and spray your perfume doon. Saka po natin ibabrush. So like, wag to. This is my favorite perfume. Okay, get your perfume. So this one is Amethyst from Lalique. Hello there. So spray lang po natin sa comb. And then just brush your hair. So didikit na ang kanyang aroma, ang kanyang fragrance dun sa hair natin. So hindi pa nakasira sa hair mo. So guys, another tip natin is mag-spray po ng pabango on your pulse points. Kung may pulso ka, ha? From here. Actually, naging naging way na natin yung mag-spray talaga sa damit. Even me talagang, kahit sino naman talaga nag-add-ons ng overdoing pag-spray ng pabango dun sa mga damit natin. So, actually, if it's mainit, wow. So, if it's mainit talaga, so, na-absorb ng surroundings lang. So, nawawala din, nag-evaporate din yung perfume or yung pabangon inilagay mo. But if you're going to spray on your pulse, so, actually, nandito yung heat na absorb ng katawan natin. So, it really lasts longer. So, much better from here sa mga pulso. At we are really get used of spraying here. So, nag-spray tayo dito. And then, what we do is that we rub yung ating mga wrist. Ayan, nagkikiskisan sila. Pero it's a big no-no po. Bakit po kamo? Kasi yung notes dun sa perfume can easily ruin your molecules kapag kinikis-kis-kis-kis. Ganyan. But if you really wanted to dry up easily, so you can just very, very little lang na pag-rub. So, pagdating naman sa mga storage, it is advisable po na hanggat maaari kung may mga boxes pa po ang inyong mga perfume, let it be there. Kasi nga, may mga ibang perfume na sensitive sa light that can actually ruin or nagde-diminish nung scent ng ating mga pabango. So, it is not also advisable na store yung ating mga perfume doon sa bathroom. So, might as well dito lang sa room, sa cool area. Kasi yung humid is actually can really bawas. Can really make ruin the molecules ng ating pabango. So, guys, another tip, never ever do this. Do not shake your perfume bottle kasi po ang perfume are intended to stand still. Kasi whenever you shake, ang tendency po is nagkakaroon ng air inside. At yung air na yon, it could destroy yung scent ng ating perfume. Banta. Banta. So, another trick to make your perfume last longer is to moisturize. Yes, guys, so we have to moisturize. So, actually, you can use unscented lotion to put on your skin and then spray your perfume. So, another popular way on how to moisturize and put on your perfume is that they are actually using the Vaseline. Yung Vaseline, so nilalagay lang po ang Vaseline doon sa mga pulse area kung saan natin i-spray ang ating pabango. So, we put it here sa neck, behind your ears, dito sa wrist area, on the other side, dito sa elbow, yung ating mga pulse points. So, dyan po tayo naglalagay. And then, that's the time na i-spray na natin ang ating pabango. So, this one is from Rihanna. So, yung Vaseline, it serves as a barrier dun sa skin natin. So, para hindi ma-absorb kaagad ng skin natin. Kasi minsan pinagpapawisan tayo or masyadong mainit. So, nag-evaporate lang. So, yung Vaseline or any other unscented lotion just to moisturize your skin is nagiging barrier po sila just to make the perfume on the surface lang po ng ating katawan. So, it will really last longer. So, ayan, andito lang siya. So, you can actually put on the back of your ear. And, so guys, those are the tips kung paano magkakaroon ng last long na perfume or fragrances sa ating katawan. So, sana nakatulong po ang aking vlog na ito para sa isang mabangong araw para sa inyong lahat. But before anything else, I would like to show all the pre-loved perfumes na aking na-purchase po dito while I'm here in Kuwait. So, yung iba po is totally wala silang cap. So, kung hindi ka naman medyo ma-arte girl, so, you can actually purchase yung mga perfume na as in, may mga stickers pa talaga sila. So, I have this one Rihanna. Wala siyang cup, pero really smells good. If you want something caramelized or sweet caramelized. Sweet. So, you can have the Rihanna. I have my Amethyst Lilique na very floral, fruity floral. Eclat is one of my favorite also na scent na very fresh lang talaga, very feminine, and I highly recommend yung Eclat po. So this is EDP also, Eau de Parfum from France. Oh, one of my newest favorite is the Paco Rabanne. Okay, the Olympia. Ito kasi is para siyang coconut smell na sweet lang ang peg natin. So, medyo pang mga pang date. Ito, I highly recommend ang ating Olympia. So, this is also Eau de Parfum. So, guys, actually, dito ko lang ini-store yung aking mga perfume. So, wala pa tayong lalagyanan. So, these are the pre-loved perfumes na na-avail ko for now. So, ayan. So, I purchased tong mga pabango na to like 2 months ago. Versace Noir. So, this is EDP. So, I have my Carolina Herrera for men. Pero, suggested siya for women. I think this is unisex also. I use it almost every day din. So, meron akong free. Wala po siyang takip. Ang D&G Light and Blue, which is the Eau de Toilette. Thank you, CC, for my freebies. Ay, eto, very nice din siya. Ang Gucci by Gucci. So, limited. Very nice bottle din po siya. Ayan, Moschino. Very sweet. So, actually, kaamoy niya ang Victoria's Secret. But this one is a bit sweet, but so sexy din. Jador is Very nighttime ang amoy nito, but very freshy din. Medyo pang ano to, pang mga socialite ang amoy. Yan, Mugler. So, actually, one of the collection of Heart Evangelista is a bit floral po. So, may mga gusto ng floral. Carbon Prada for Men, limited edition ng Gucci Guilty. Who wanted to avail or mag-purchase sa mga pre-love na really tested and really nice fragrances talaga. So, you can purchase or you can look for Pre-Love by Charm and Reem. Dito lang po sa Facebook. I'll be putting the link below or this one. So, you can PM them, guys. Very legit yung kanilang mga perfume. So, that's all for today, for our today's vlog sa isang mabangong araw sa inyong lahat. So, this is I. So, please pakisubscribe po ulit para naman happy ang ating 2021, guys. So, thanks for watching. Bye!